compound, nothing I don't see. Now that compound, not my neighbor. Go buy motor. Meanwhile, 3 kinds of motor when in this life. One I watch you. If you see any car where they write, buy me, my brother, just buy it. Buy me is a good car. You just need to change plug and engine oil. But the one they don't write buy me, they write for sale. That one you go change bumper, change 4 tires, change the exhaust. But you get one where you go run from, the one they don't write buy me, they don't write for sale. They just put gallon on top. My first car I want to buy for this Lagos. Let me beg and buy a Owode where they sell tomatoes. Now I go buy motor. When I reach there, the man say, I say, how much for motor? The man says 65,000. I said, no be the bumper. The full motor. He said, yes. He said, you know, come quick. Last year, I said one range, 82,000. I paid. I buy motor. I said, they drive come from the man workshop, motor stop. You know, one problem won't start. You yourself, you don't believe in that problem. As it's done, I say, I got the Asaga. You better say that motor, you just mistake, stop. The man say, okay, blessing that fuel. Push up. Enter police station. The girl when they sell fuel, hold nozzle. Walk around this motor. Walk around this motor 7 times. You don't see where they put fuel. I call the man and say, Oga, we want to put fuel for the more fuel tank. The man says, sorry, I don't tell her now. Open the boot. When they open the boot, 50 liter gallon, they one side. The man said that the tank with that. We put fuel. Motor start. As I go front tomorrow, want to stop again. You say this time I don't see problem day too. Now I call the man with that smile. Oga, hello, Oga. Now me buy motor for a shop. Motor don't stop 2 times. The man say they shout. I say yes. Why not go shout? The man say you go knock the engine. Yeah? Shout. And after that I say problem don't be. So I call the tell the man, Oga, so what we go do? The man say, hey, now you come. I'll give you the mechanic number when they repair this motor. But I hear true life story. They give me the mechanic number. Mechanic in name na Tofik, Muslim boy, underline Muslim. I got Tofik. I buy one blue Passat. They say now you the repair and Muslim. He say I don't hear you well. Now me they repair blue Passat. Jesus Christ. Tofik come. He said, Oga, this motor, every day they spoil, like we need one small bike. What did they call it, Vera? I come buy Okada for Tofik. Every day they repair this motor they spoil. You say that they catch up for road, now rent house. Near my house. For Tofik. For one motor, this motor won't kill me. Finally, one church, they near my house. Then they do Thanksgiving. Pastor say, so Sunday, our Thanksgiving, bring a seed that will provoke God. I look the motor. So not if you provoke God pass you. I carry the key. I begin to say that. Now the thing where you give us Papa, I hear my delivery. When pastor see key for my hand, people who carry fire will go to them. Hey, madam, move your livestock. The man with the key. Abia. I reach. I drop key. Pastor said, what do you do? I said, I'm a comedian. He said, wow, a comedian? Ali Baba will look for you. I said, man. To cut long story short, on Monday morning, phone they ring, now pastor they call me. I said, hello, daddy. He said, don't daddy me. I Are you the one that sold that small blue Passat? I say yes. He said, did I tell you that Ali Baba will look for you? I said yes. He said you will never see him. I said, Pastor, what happened now? He said, as I'm talking to you now, I am on top of Third Mainland Bridge. No less steering in my hand. Election people are trying. And they did show I write 17 proposals. No one enter.
Are you serious?
You're crazy. You follow me right now? They say after election. Don't worry, come after election. After election. Every state get people who contest against who? Only Lagos, that's where Sanwo-Olu contest against Sanwo-Olu. Because you don't need Lagos, you got a drive. What this man they follow contest? So the people they use Sanwo-Olu poster, they give address. If they come, they might not enter our street. You go pass 7 Sanwo-Olu poster, they can't come over. You want when we are suit? No, nobody that one, don't do like this. Pass us small, just stand there, don't move over. Stand there, I'll come with you. Bring another yeah. PDP giving another she carry. Mistake what she do, she can't go use PDP another you cook APC rice. 3 hours rice no green up. Madam, what do you cook now? But you know, last year I was in London. And that's what I believe by now. And before they start to say I went to London, I would say, you want to quiet like this and I believe my progress, not I clap for myself. Now they say, no, you're in London, you go. I go visit my auntie, I did my auntie house. Yeah, I like to walk out, I don't know road. My auntie, they go out. They say, a lot of people. The lady in Nigeria, if you go London, I don't say, and I know they work for this country. Until where you there, they work. For night, they work. I go until don't go work, I want stroke. Oh, no, my man, they stroke. You see, London everywhere, resemble. Red bus. Before I know, I come back, I don't see house again. Yeah? I don't lost. But I write house number for my pocket. So I'll call house. Phone go ring. Junior, small boy, 4 years. I go pick call, Auntie Pikin. Hello. Say, Junior, this is Uncle. Uncle, what's the problem? Shut up. No get problem. I lost. Oh, you're missing. Okay, what can you see? Turn around. As I can see, Woolwich Arsenal. Okay. Take the bus 350. Drop at the station. Move close to the bus. And then ask someone, you get to the house. You direct me. Every day, I don't know, the person they direct me, I just lost. Hello, Gina. I said, where are you? I said, come on, I don't know, man. I can see stadium. What stadium is that? I said, Arsenal Stadium. Okay. Go direct me every day. So the thing they switch me. Say, if I want to come out, now they get problem. I just stroke before. That's how I know where they go. Because I get house number, they call Junior. So one day, I found the house. Weekend, where Junior Mama go work. She just dey cook. Junior just dey play. One break class. Then Mama suffer. Junior, what's that? Come on, I'll spank you. Who sent me? I can't go pull mouth. Junior, are you stupid? And you don't look me like this. I don't understand the look. And you don't go in your room. The following day, I don't forget what happened yesterday. That's how I stroke. I lost. I call house. Hello? With excitement, you know, say, as an adult, you know, they keep talking for mine. Hello, Junior, I'm missing. He said, I don't understand. You what? I said, come on, as usual, I'm missing. You're missing. Where are you? What can you see? As I can see the red bus, that bus will take you to Nigeria. I don't see you, man. You saw what? Hold on, wait. Please, for people where they always go all these big restaurants, go chop. This is some the price they shock you, but because of say you don't order, that shame, respect, you can't lock up. And order, they can't bring up. No when you call a read manual like who get exam. They read the menu. See taxes to no restaurant very expensive. Once you just enter, sit down, first order for water. With big boy, how much is your water? They say 3,000. That's what say, hey, now the place with this. Hold on. I go one restaurant. I don't know say snail for Lagos. I saw snail the cost. I just reached there, me and my girlfriend. What do you want? She said, yes, I'm a tifo. I don't plan the tifo, but to talk am, I will first give us some. One. Snake. Yeah, snake. I said, snake. Because for worry that year, snake, they catch them. I said, bring 7 snails for her. Give her. You just give me 3. That's 10. So when I come to bring the bill, I say, I don't ask for your phone number. The money just long. When I transfer the money to them, my account empty. I dey sweat. As I dey sweat, one man just walk enter with 4 guests. And the guests they say, yes, we want snail. Some people they won't give the man sign. God. The man we don't know what to happen, they look at me, what's wrong with you? You know him from anywhere? Come on. When you come order the snail, 34. The chop. When they bring the bill, he look at me, then look at me. He said, oh, he said, you are trying to say something. He said, I was not saying anything. But ladies and gentlemen, I'll give you your balance now. You know this DJ? You know say, DJ, once DJ they play like this, they play. You never serve their food, you go there, Then they bring go and start show. Story. I don't go punish you. Please, all the ladies here, can we give the ladies a round of applause? What I clap for the ladies. What I clap for them. I come this Lagos. I never say that's no Lagos gets expensive because I've been the stages. I meet one guy, the guy say, hey baby, let's go, let's go have some fun. I said, wait, she said, let's just see a movie. He said, wow, just to watch film. Fine, let's go. I will go. We reach Genesis Cinema. We enter. As I enter the passage, AC, they blow, they cool. I say, so when they put AC for outside. I said, okay, madam, better give me malt. The woman say, 1.7. I said, that will be crate too. The bottle, the woman say, yes, 1.7. Because for just the and popcorn. Oh, okay, that would be 3,000. I said, popcorn, 3,000. Okay, time to see the movie. How much for one person? 3.5. I said, now here they want the film. I said, no, they don't really add time. They don't really add time. I said, if like here they want add the film, make I know because how to pay that kind of money? Lagos gets good though. They treat like that. Abuja, hello. If you go Abuja, no carry girl o. I go Abuja, enter club, they dance. They dance. As I dey dance, I meet one girl. Find a black fast. Hello, can we do the night? She said, yeah, but it can't be today. He said, scared na how will they give appointment? Then she took her for bago. Watch o, give me tell her, I go pay for bank. Yeah? When I hear now, on Monday, that's how I carry that bank. Don't say get some kind of money where you won't go pay. Your movement is slow. People in my back, I say, don't worry, you can go. They delay whether something will minister to you to change your mind. Don't say when you feel, you can't reach one place where they write purpose of payment. I confuse. I tell the guy, say, don't worry, just leave it like that. He said, no, you must feel it. I said, okay, it's for like when two people agree. The guy say write it now. I said okay, it's for merriment. Two people merriment. When two people want to enjoy. You know, so one man to sleep for house very easy, but to sleep for hotel, I don't know the juju where they write for hotel bed. Man won't sleep for hotel. As he enter the hotel, watch how you want to sleep. Now, wow, c'était no bad. See soft mattress. You go here footstep. Excuse me, yeah. Where are you going? You want to see somebody else? Okay. Go back. One kind of telephone, one reception. Hello, man, come pick you. Hello, woman, come pick. What do you people have? You go in the mission, everything finished. Never mind. I'm okay. Because na hotel, only hotel people, then go make you order what you don't want to. For example, just where pastor don't go hotel. You say some hotel, all they are drinking at the same price. Pastor say, give me water. They say 1,000. Shiraba, rise up! Sorry. I go add the money for you. How much? Make I know. 5 say. Bush. Rise up! Where they are for you? The rice they keep for you. Somebody don't chop on. Give me something to drink first. Give me something to drink for talk with you. Let's say it's okay, please. So if I use water 2 years and water, I go drink for a coke. You feel it great? Lagos! You feel it great? No, you don't. I like your church. I did it for you for asking you. I hear you now. Please put your hands together for you, ladies and gentlemen. Finally, tonight, Oyibo people, they make things, they make different kind of cars. Now our government, doctor can say, they won't ban importation of cars. We could make our own cars. And they think, you know some Oyibo cars, those cars name na people name, you know. Toyota na person name. Nissan na person name. So you know say if we begin make our own cars, our name, let's we make them. You say, which car do you drive? Chinedu Okonkwo.
If you go for Nigeria, say a prayer.
Hold on. Then, if you buy car, where the name now, Ambode, make you know say that car only 4 years ago last. thank one man that made tonight happen. What he did for me today, I can't say it all, man. Please, a round of applause for my boss, my mentor, AY. Ladies and gentlemen, legendary, this man, he don't love me anyhow. Baba, why you just like me, sir? Why you don't, you want make love to me? No, because the way they care for me, he check on me as I prepare for the show, he call me, check on me. I am so uncomfortable. That is so unpackaged that talks anyhow. No. When I see that, this is how I feel. So let me just explain it. I'm speaking English. Alright, I want just to speak English. It's not going to be on the version. So say the lady that's found out. Okay. The guy where you come up. Please, it's not a focus for Martin!
Put your hands together for MC Shakara. One clap for our noisy man. This is my first time. This is one sunset. Just come outside for home. They say it's my floor. Make the floor come. 2 seconds she blow. I said, thank God for me and I'm not the mate. Like I'm in Manuel at the mate. So nobody can fit tell you say your mate not blow 2 seconds. Ladies police. What did they call the thief since when not the finish? I bet tell them that thief quick, I bet no one collect statements. This push you with the soldier to campus. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the time.
One product I use that one, she's good. I actually met her in a comedy club only on Wednesday here. She just performed and all that. Wow, I touch her and I say, this girl, she go blow, she get her. She go blow. All the princess and the Paul won't get problem now. They won't get problem. Yeah, because they got one hour away the press for Instagram. That was what they call it also. The one they call the real warrior. Well, I know how that was what they carry up for record. She will climb this stage. The best thing you can do for these talents is to create a platform and support them. Whether you like them or not, the sky is wide enough for everybody to fly. That's all. Thank you for us, ladies and gentlemen. The guy that's coming up on stage is another super talent. This guy is good. This guy is tight. Well, you got it. Are you there? Yeah, start. Now, bro, since you start, you only long past my own age. Long past your own. Stand up. You got to stand up in the grace. Shout out for Ricardo in the building. Ricardo, my guy. Too tight. Fine ball, no peoples, only arrangement details. It's too much. Ricardo, please, you know, that comment section, you don't do that. What was on pass? Open it now. A lot of people make comments. You don't do things like this. Open the place. Open up. Know what the people they feel about you. I'm not saying they frustrate you in that period, but that time don't come, don't go now. What comes, don't pass. Nigerians, if you want him to open that comment section, let me see your hands up like this. You gotta see him. So tomorrow morning you go open them, Abi. Promise you open them. He said go open them tomorrow morning. And then you hear real words. So AY will come tell you first. Before you go open them, God will punish you. God will punish. He got to carry me go out, go play football. Oh boy, I'm not gonna say the idiot won't set him up. He said, "Why come and stop play football?" You know what happened? Before he invite me come play football, idiot house. Only the swimming pool area. I have my full one plot when I get doing football. Only swimming pool though. The guy on the lane long. You know before. That's the reason why you know before. You know to make comment as they call even those small children wake up from our presence. You know you can't even talk to them. Call them. You know the feast. All the guy that I love so much is part of the show tonight. This guy is good, it's tight. It's got his A game on point. Ladies and gentlemen, it goes by the name RJ Ball. Shut up.
This way. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Cha Igbo Bueno. I remain an Igbo boy anytime, any day. Any business you show me Igbo man, if you take that over, don't want to pass you. There's only one business everyone ever put in before they say for you. Wait, no, no. The video and this square hey. Last week, I see Jude for some lady. I said, Jude, I will find upcoming artists with the twins. I want to sign them. Hey! And then push out and spread the finger. Ladies and gentlemen, someone who won Lagos. Are you surprised? How can you be surprised? Somebody make you campaign. The campaign be like rapture. You walk for the same street. You go see 45 Sanwo-Olu campaign. 1 Jide Agbaje. 35 Sanwo-Olu, 1 Jide Agbaje. 85 Sanwo-Olu. By the time you see 1 Jide Agbaje, you go find the resemble Sanwo-Olu for the house.